today's video, we'll be taking a look at my homemade vulture action figure from Spider-Man Homecoming. Let's get started. Alright, so let's remove vulture from his stand. His head left and right, just like that. He can look up and down, very important for him since he flies. Then can turn his arm around 360, bend it out like that. Can rotate his elbow. He has a hinge in his elbow, single hinge. Rotation in the wrist. These things do come out, by the way. I'm not removing them for this review, for this showcase, sorry. No articulation in his body because of the wings, the way they peg in to him. I'll show that to you all. Then the legs kick up just like that, they go outwards like that. Then the knees, there's a single hinge till about there, there's a swivel. The claws, the feet bend down, up, and there's some pivot. And let's take a look at the wings. This is the most important thing about vulture, his wings. Yeah, so there are a lot of details in this thing. I didn't expect so much to be there actually. I realized that while sculpting it. And yeah, as you can see, the lines. Yeah, I gave it a glossy finish because I just thought it looked good. See, as you can see, light reflects off this thing. It makes it look much better. The detail stands out. Show you all the back. Added blue to the turbines to make them look like they're powered up. So yeah, now the way this thing pegs in, there are two pegs right here. They're actually toothpicks. There are here two of them, one here and one here. Both of them are equal size, and as you can see, there are two holes on his back. So basically they just go in like that. And articulation for the wings, there's not much. I couldn't add too much to the wings. They're just like hinges, but wired hinges you could say, not actual joints. So he can move his wings in like that and out a bit over there and over here also. So like this, you can make them fold a bit inward. Then also these bits right here, the turbines, let me just back, they fold out. The turbines do not move, I stuck them in place. Alright, to conclude this video, I'm just going to compare him to one of my figures that I've made recently. That's Scorpion. He was my previous video, I think, the showcase of Scorpion. As you can see, yeah, Vulture is pretty big because of his wings, but the figure itself, they're basically the same size. They use the same base body. So yeah, but I'll tell you one thing, Vulture definitely has a presence on the shelf. He looks awesome. I keep him actually in the corner with the wings folded like that, and he looks good. He looks really great. So yeah, I was really happy with the way he turned out. And yeah, if you all want, you all can try this out. You can try making him. and have fun making it. I already have the video for the base body on my channel. You can just check it out in the video section. And if you have any doubts or anything, you can always ask me in the comment section and I'll definitely answer them. Yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you like this video and you like such stuff, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you get to know, you know. All right, thank you. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.